Hey y'all, so today I am going to get a frontal wig install using my 13 by 6 HD kinky straight lace wig, 30 inches, jet black. That's a lot to say, but definitely stay tuned. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys how I'm getting my hair done. That's all you need to know. See y'all later. I'm scared of it, but I feel like it'd be good for the size. This look actually, let me see. Question about that. Yeah. Just actually wait till she's done because not everybody gets blue.
Like 5 seconds from old bleaching.
But that's why I went ahead and did the black dye, but I didn't want to stain the lace. Perfect. Okay, y'all, so now we have the mannequin head on my head. Mannequin head, girl, no. Now we have the ball cap on my head. You always have to wait for it to prep, do your thing. So basically, I love frontals. Like, I love frontals. I love the look that it gives. I love the fact that I could walk outside and the wind could blow and I'm like, gotcha. We safe over here. So I love me a nice frontal. A 13 by 6, I feel is good for the girls that have bigger heads because it needs to lay better. If you have a smaller head, you could go ahead and get you a 13 by 4 because it's a little cheaper and it'll still give you that look if your head is smaller. So just do y'all research when y'all get your wigs, and I pretty much have any type of wig that you need. So just follow my Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna get y'all together. So just stay tuned and pay close attention. Hey y'all, so I know y'all see her plucking the wig. The newer wigs that I'm gonna have coming in, they're going to be plucked to where that you don't have to pluck anything. So I just want you to be mindful of that. My wigs are gonna be pretty much just, by the time you get that wig, it's gonna be ready to put right on your head. So that's what I'm going for. But like I said, this wig, it's a wig that I got, you know, a while ago. So like I said, we're evolving with the wigs that we're coming out with. So I have new hairlines. So just stay tuned. I'm also gonna post those hairlines as soon as I can so y'all can see the difference and understand that it's way less work for your stylist, and you save a lot of time. That's like the key. Getting wigs that are already bleached, already plucked. If it's styled as well, that helps. But bleaching and plucking is the most tedious part of the whole wig process. So I got the wigs and they're gonna come already bleached and plucked. Oh no, freaking. Okay. Ooh, baby, that hairline's giving everything it's ever needed to give. Ooh, don't do it. Ooh, and it's snug, more snug than I thought it would be. Black girls, when they get their hair done, you don't play with that time. Don't fuck up the appointment time. Don't make a bitch late. I'm dead serious.
She is.
Make a black girl late when she's on her way to a makeup appointment, nail appointment, hair appointment. You're gonna get cussed out. For real.
Y'all already recorded the wig part, right? I thought you were saying that you was on. Eyelashes. I said, I put that shit up my head. Oh, I'm sorry. Can you get your video?
It's okay, I did, but I messed up and didn't do the hand thing. I can't be a fucking Instagram person.
You are doing it already. So what are you talking about?
Shit. I mean, influencer.
I swear, I fuck up every time I make a video. That's why I just give up.
It sucks because you do such good hair.
Girl,
you need somebody. I'm really not a baby hair person, but I do like a little tiny bit. Sure. That's fine. I don't like a lot of baby hairs anyways. If you just take a little bit from those baby hairs, and I didn't even
dye
those.
They already thin right here, so it's gonna look little. Like the baby hair is gonna look thin. Okay. I'm gonna pluck some out if they don't. That's just what I do, but.
Oh.
It's cold.
It's freezing and it's in my ear. Oh, I should have brought my band. Not smart. I need to always brand. Ooh, girl. You know I'm gonna like my hair, and you know I'm gonna be loud today.
She will forget about you. I already come home sometimes, she look at me upside my head. I'm like, girl, I only been gone 4 hours.
Girl, this is so cute.
They got some raw, nasty looking shit to me. I don't have a clue.
This is flawless. I wish I would have gotten a better before and after. This girl is a beast. Jesus. This is so cute. I don't even know what to do with myself.
I bet it's all type of stuff that don't have names from none of America. And how the hell you break the language barrier? Like,
girl, Google, what? Google Translator is all you use. As I was in China, that's all I use.
I can't leave your ass with China.
Girl, I went with a group of people. It was
horrible.
It was good, but it was just some drama.
Hold on, bye. Wigs, so I'll tell you like, yeah, nah, that ain't gonna work. Or yeah, that's good. So the one you regular wigs that you have.
Okay, let me get out so your next client can look this good. Damn. My shit is so nice. Let me do the rest of my TikTok. Okay. I can't wait to get my teeth whitened too. I'm about to fuck up my content with some fresh pearly white. So we are done, and as y'all can see, I am slayed and snatched. She did so good, y'all. Like, at first when we started, she just gave me a warning. Like, it might not be as slick as you like it just because it's kinky straight. But sis, I mean, what you mean? It's just how I like it. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's giving perm. It's giving 2005 when we used to wear perm and just kind of blow it out and just wear it. That's what it's giving. I am in love. Come book her, one of the best in the H. Make sure y'all see one of the best, and then get you a wig from me, and she got you. She gonna install it. It's so cute. I'm excited. Okay, I love it.